Good afternoon, everybody. Let's quickly get started. Okay, so today we not have any high impact news. Sorry, we have high impact news today by 7 p.m. We've had on pounds, on JPY, which is Bank of Japan policy rate still remains the same. So today there's FOMC by 7 p.m. Also 7:30 by expressing press conference. And on New Zealand dollar, we're having the gross domestic product. So this is a very, very high impact news. We might not even see much more movement in the market because of this news that is coming up by 7 p.m. Market might not be as stable as it is, as we might be experiencing a whole lot of range within that period, right? Okay, so let's go to our charts. Can you all see my screen? Can you all see my screen? Hello? Can you all see my screen? Okay, so yesterday candle closes with a rejection and a bullish sentiment. We hope to see a retracement on USDX. So if you look at USDX, you will notice that so if you look at USDX, you will notice that okay, so if you look at USDX, you will notice that dollar has been showing some weak momentum around here, around this strong support zone. Dollar has been showing some weak momentum, which could warrant a breakout. Then we'll buy US dollar after taking out this breaking these trend lines. Okay, so after breaking that trend lines, then we might look towards buying USDX. So we've not seen a tangible break as market has not been able to break this level. Market has not broken this level 1039.965. So we need a proper rejection for short to happen, a breakout and a retest will give us good entry for USDX. And on 4 hours time frame, we are seeing market rejecting this zone. So once we spot a rejection here and we have a good rejection, we could continue selling dollar. But if market break out this 103.232 region, then we can buy up to 103.965. So like I said, market has not been volatile because of the news coming up for dollar, right? So we just need to, I would just advise that we trade caution. And because also, if you look at pounds dollar, GBP USD, we are still ranging at this zone 1.30377 and 1.29725. Those are the two ranges zone that we are looking towards for GBP USD. So, well, my bias is still bearish on GBP USD. I'm still very much bearish on GBP USD because we have market take out this low. So a lower low is formed and a higher high is formed here. So this scenario gives us give us a direct indication that GBP USD might be bearish. What we just need to do, tap into this resistance zone and probably start falling to form an head and shoulder pattern, right? To form an head and shoulder pattern. That is what we are currently looking to. So we are looking at a retracement for GBP USD on 1 hour time frame. Still the same of 15 minutes time frame. All we just need here is the proper retracement. Once the retracement comes in, we can look towards selling GBP USD. Okay, so for USD CHF, we could see that yesterday, USD CHF, we have a break with USD CHF, but market is still within this daily time frame perception, this zone. So, which is still telling us that probably the FOMC can push the market up, can push the rate per dollar high, so that we can have more buyers coming into the market. But at the moment, we've not seen any entry at the very moment for USD CHF, right? So for USD CHF, yeah, yes, exactly. Okay, so I'm looking at this resistance. You can see how market rejects this support level and breaks this trend line for USD CHF. So I'm bullish on USD CHF, adjusting the retracement to test this 0.8770 on USD So my bias on USD is bullish. I wait for retracement before entry. That's why I said GBP USD, I'm looking towards some bearish sentiment for GBP USD. Also the same thing for Euro USD. Also the same thing for Euro USD. We are at this zone. Okay. And what I see here, I'm quite bearish on Euro USD, right? So I just want this low to be taken out before I enter my entry. So we are in the retracement phase for Euro USD at this point. We could see to enter at a resistance here, to enter at a resistance 1.09410. 1.09410 is my ideal entry for Euro USD. Okay, so let's go to GBP card. Now, something spectacular happened yesterday. For GBP card, we are quite bearish, and yesterday candle rejected this high. But once we have this rejection, this candle today will determine if the bullish sentiment, if the sentiment will lead to much more buyers. But what I'm seeing, the setup here, I didn't see any buyers for GBP card. So my bias also for GBP card is bearish, right? My bias for GBP card is quite bearish. Once price is unable to break this resistance. Once price is unable to break the resistance at 1.85788 region, we are going to sell GBP card. So it's just two things. This could also be a flag pattern. Could also be a flag pattern. But with what I'm looking at, I'll be very much bearish on GBP card. There's no entry yet. I've not seen any entry. So that is why I've not been able to drop any signal yet. So let's look at gold. So gold is still very bullish. Gold is still very, very much bullish. And what we are having for gold, if you're looking towards selling, you are wrong. Gold is still very, very much bullish, right? So although we had a break of structure here, and this would also build up to a retracement, but I'm still seeing signs of buyers for, for gold. So one more retracement or one more drop will give us more reasons to buy. One more drop on this retracement will give us more reason to buy gold. Okay, so I want to wait for a proper retracement before entry gold. Proper retracement before we place our entry on gold. So that is that for this afternoon analysis. If you have anyone you want us to look out for, kindly reach out. Do you have any pair you want us to look out for? Yeah, BTC. Okay, so BTC, BTC USD, I'm quite bullish on BTC USD, and hopefully what I'm seeing here, BTC could get to 89,000. Okay, so BTC could get to 89,000. Um, so BTC could get to 89,000. So on 4 hours time frame, I'm just bullish. The reason I'm not going explicitly is because there is a news coming up, and FOMC week is always arranging. Okay, so we just need to be patient to see what will happen and all that. So BTC, we just look for retracement before we sell BTC. Okay. And the last one, somebody requested for US 30. Okay, so I will just do Euro AUD and US 30. GBP and ZD. Okay, so GBP and ZD, waiting for a retracement to occur at this juncture. So we could have something like this. Market could reject at 2.24910, right? Market could reject at that level for GBP and ZD. So I'm looking at we have rejection at this strong supply zone. The market starts, continue its downtrend. One thing I'm just looking at, GBP CAD, GBP NZD, they are ripe for proper sales, right? So we just need to wait and position ourselves for a good entry. Like I said, I need the proper retracement for GBP as this support level before I enter into the market. Yeah, so that is what I need before I enter into the market. Okay, so DJ 30. Yes, wait for rejection. I'm not gonna lie to you. I didn't see any marketing. I didn't see any entry, any movement in the 30 year. So you wait for a breakout. You wait for a breakout for entry into the market. You wait for a breakout before entering into the market. So a breakout could go up or could be bearish. But I didn't see. I would love to say the breakout should be on the downtrend. So I'm more bearish for the breakout than being bullish for DJ30. I'm more bearish for G card than being bullish. But I never can tell anything can happen because I didn't see any movement in this DJ30. So I'll go to Euro. Euro AUD, I think will continue bullishness today. I think we'll continue bullishness today. We can use a buy stop order. We can use a buy stop order for Euro AUD. Can use a buy stop order for Euro AUD. But the thing is, I've not seen an entry. Market is just still reacting and ranging at every market. So we just need to apply proper patience to this market. Okay, so someone wants to speak. Doka, you can unmute yourself now. Yeah, you can unmute yourself now. You're welcome. Okay, Doka. Oh, okay. So since there are no questions, thank you very much for your time. Have a wonderful training day. Bye.